Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all ways you can take a screenshot or record your screen on your OPPO Find X5 Pro, but it also works the same way on any OPPO X5 series like X5 Lite or X5 normal. So the first way to take a screenshot and most simple one is to press the lock key and volume down key at the same time. And here you can see how the screenshot was taken, and you can press on it in order to open it. Now, in order to record our screen, we'll need to slide down our toolbar, slide down even more, move to the next page, and here you will find screen recording. Press on it and you'll see this hat button. Now in order to actually start recording, press the shutter and the recording will engage. With a pause button you can pause the video. To resume it, press on the circle, and in order to stop the video, simply press the stop shutter like that. Now let's go back to screen recording. And we can press on this clock button in order to open more settings. And here you can either enable or disable record system sounds. And you can also enable or disable record microphone sounds. Let's disable the screen recording and let's move to the next screenshot options. So the next screenshot options are needed to be enabled in our settings. So let's open our settings. We need to scroll down all the way down, open system settings, and from here find gestures and motions. From here you can enable swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and that way if you enable it and just slide down your 3 fingers, you'll make the screenshot. Press scroll in order to take a scroll screenshot so that phone will capture entire page. Now there's another way, and it's touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So if we enable it, we can hold our 3 fingers to the screen and we'll take a partial screenshot like that. And as you can see, new menu just popped up, and here we can crop the screenshot however we want. We can share it, we can crop it as I mentioned, we can mark it up, we can scroll it, or we can go for more edit options. And here you can just use normal photo editor for the phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.